This home has one of the most beautiful kitchen I ever seen, and it has one of the most beautiful bathroom too in the room. Wait until I show you, you're not gonna believe it. Welcome back to the channel for another home tour episode. Today I'm here in Taunton, Massachusetts. I have this beautiful, massive single-family home here that I'm gonna tour. I'm gonna show you everything about this house, and this is in a decent neighborhood in a quiet dead-end street. And before you go inside, you have this space right here. You can use it for maybe extra storage. Some people use to put like shoes and hang jackets. So when you walk to the front door, then here you're gonna find, you can use this as a living room, and also here you can use it as a dining room. You also have 2 bedrooms down here, and then you have another 2 bedrooms upstairs, which I'm gonna show you in a little bit. And wait until you see the bathroom. Decent, beautiful bathroom here. And then you have your hardwood floor in decent shape. The home might need a little bit of fresh painting, but other than that, everything is in great shape. So here you have your first bedroom downstairs with a hardwood floor, and you also have a decent sized closet here, and you have one window here. And wait until I show you guys what's over there. You're not gonna believe what's over there. Like I said, there's 2 bedrooms upstairs, and then you have 2 bedrooms down here. You got the central air here, a heating system here, and here you can use it for the dining room. And you have a nice view here, decent sized yard with the driveway, which I'll go outside after. Here's your second bedroom, which is this one is this one is a little bit smaller than the other one, and you have a decent sized closet here for this this bedroom. And now the next thing I'm going to show you guys is the kitchen. Wait until you see the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen. Now here's your kitchen. Look at this beautiful kitchen here. You got this massive island here in the middle with a stove on it, and you got the fridge, microwave, and wow, look how beautiful this kitchen is. And let me show you something. And right here, look at that. Got this beautiful pond here. And wait until I show you the view from the upstairs. You get to sit on the balcony and enjoy this beautiful view here. So you got white cabinets in decent shape. You know, if you want, you could paint them, but it's in great shape. Got the beautiful granite countertop. Everything seems to be in a good shape. All the cabinets. Got plenty of space in this house. It's over 2,000 square footage, which is, you know, it's massive. You have your dishwasher. What I love about this house is like I said, the kitchen. You know, I love to have the kitchen island here in the middle. Not only that, you know, you get to have the oven here, which is pretty cool. Really nice kitchen. So it does come with the appliances. You have your microwave here. It's pretty cool. More space over there. Everything seems to be in a good condition. Here you have your fridge. Decent sized fridge here. Plenty of space, and show you. And then here you have your pantry for extra space. You could fit plenty of stuff in here. You know, if you plenty of groceries that you can put in here. Plenty of space. This house is massive, over 2,000 square footage. Make sure you keep watching, because I'm gonna reveal the price for this home. And now let's head upstairs. I'm gonna show you guys the rooms upstairs and the bathroom. You're not gonna believe, once you see that bathroom, you're gonna fall in love with it. Now from the kitchen, going upstairs, now you have the carpet here. When you get upstairs, you're gonna find plenty of space here. Let me show you a cool thing here about this house. Look at that. When you get upstairs, how cool is that? You'll have your little, I guess you could use this maybe as a little bar. Maybe you could sit here, have a drink, or but look at this massive living room here. And you have this massive space here. You could maybe do like a TV room here, or like a living room. And maybe you could put a nice big TV screen on the wall, and it does have carpet. Now, I'm not a big fan of carpet, but it is really really nice over here. Plenty of space. And I love this little space right here. You could, like I said, you could sit here, have a drink, have extra space here. You have cabinets, and you also have the granite countertop here, and there's a closet here for extra storage. Plenty of space in this home. If you're a big family, this might be the house for you. Plenty of space here. Also, 4 bedrooms, and it's in a decent, quiet neighborhood on a dead-end street. And I will do a little bit of the neighborhood tour just to kind of show you guys around. Now, let me show you what's behind this door. Ready? Look at that. Have your beautiful jacuzzi here. Beautiful, beautiful bathroom. I love this bathroom. You got the jacuzzi here, and then you have the stand-up shower here, and you have the bedroom here that I'm gonna show you in a minute. It's super nice, plenty of space. So you have 1 bedroom downstairs. Actually, I forgot to show you the bathroom downstairs. So I'm gonna show you that after I finish upstairs. I forgot to show you the bathroom downstairs. I kind of fell in love with this home. I fell in love with the bathroom here. So here's the first bedroom upstairs. So this one has carpet here. Again, I'm not a big fan of carpet, but some people love it, some people don't. And you have 2 closets here in this room, plenty of space, high ceilings. And one of the coolest thing about this room is, let me show you. Look at this view. Look at this beautiful view here. You get to sit right here on this balcony and enjoy this beautiful view here. And you got this beautiful pond here. It is very peaceful here, very quiet. You get to enjoy all these beautiful trees here. Awesome area here. Now let me show you the second bedroom upstairs, which is a pretty good, decent sized bedroom too. You have your carpet here upstairs too. You got 2 windows. Then you have decent sized closet here. Overall, not the biggest bedroom, but it is pretty decent size, but it's not the biggest. One of the biggest bedroom here in this house is this one upstairs, and then you have the bathroom and that beautiful view right there. Now let me show you the bathroom downstairs that I forgot to show you, and then after that we're going to go outside. Let me show you the porch, and let me show you the yard, which is beautiful as well too. So the bathroom downstairs is right near the kitchen. It's not the biggest bathroom. So you have pretty decent size, but it's not the biggest. Here you have the shower, you have the vanity, and you have the toilet. Now, to go outside, you can go from the kitchen here. And I love this view. But you can go from the kitchen, and once you come here, you have this beautiful porch here. You could do cookout. You could set a grill over here, and that's what I would do. And you have this beautiful yard. Now, there's a lot of trees around here, so probably during the fall season you're gonna see a lot of leaves on the ground, that's what's happening right now. We're going to the fall season. There's a lot of leaves here, so you will have some work to do here. And here you have a decent sized driveway. You could probably fit like 4 cars here. Very long, beautiful yard here, and you can see how quiet it's over here in this neighborhood. On this dead-end street. And overall the house is in great shape. The outside's decent shape, got the vinyl siding. And there's one more thing that I'm going to show you, which is the basement. In case you're not familiar with the Massachusetts, most of the homes here, they have the basement where they keep all the utility stuff, where they keep the furnaces and like the hot water. So to go to basement, you go from the back porch, from this door here. Then as you go inside the basement, it is in a pretty good shape too. And so here you have your furnace, and you have your hot water tank right there. And the floor looks level, so which you can even finish this basement. And here you have the laundry area here. You can add the laundry here. And that's your main shutoff for the water. And then here you have your breaker. So you have the breakers. Looks in pretty good shape. There's no sign of water in the basement. It is pretty dry. Overall, I believe the foundation is in great shape too. Now here you're not too far from 24, which is the highway to go to Boston. So if you want to stay somewhere close to Boston, you're not too far. And also you're not too far from the highway 140 to go to like New Bedford. And you know, you can see this is a dead-end street. It's very quiet. A couple of houses on this street. Damn, it's hot today. Let me just give you a little bit of a neighborhood tour. There's a lot of mix of single-family homes in this area and some multi-family homes as well. Now, as you can see, this road is not that busy. So the highway is just a few minutes away from here. And you have the schools, and it's a pretty decent area. Nice and quiet here. Now let me walk back to the house. We're going to talk about some numbers and all the information about the house. If you have any question, feel free to reach out to me. You can send me a text. You can shoot me an email. I'll put all my information in the link description below. So the price for this home, it is listed at $545,000, and the home is so the home is 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, a little bit under 2,200 square footage, and the home is sitting on 10,400 square foot space. And the home was built in 1927. And then the property tax right now in 2024, the estimate is around $4,418. And this house is still available right now on the market. If you have any question, reach out to me anytime, and I'll make sure I'll get back to you. Make sure you come back for more videos like this.